Hi, this is Monica from Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how I join in the round. I like to use this method as it's almost invisible and it looks great following the long tail cast on as well as the German twisted cast on, which I use the most. Now before we join in the round, we're going to cast on an extra stitch. So if your pattern says to cast on 100 stitches, you would cast on 101. And here's my extra stitch. Now I'm going to check to make sure the stitches aren't twisted before I join in the round. Now make sure the tail is in front of your work. And now we're going to slip the first stitch of the left hand needle to the right, purlwise. We're going to pick up that second stitch. This is the extra stitch that we cast on. And we're going to slip it over the first, like this. Now we're going to drop that stitch off the left hand needle, that's the extra stitch we cast on, and we're going to move the first stitch from the right hand needle to the left hand needle. And here's the join. Now we're going to pull on both strands of yarn to tighten the join. And now we are ready to work the first round. Make sure the tail is in front of your work. I'm going to knit a few stitches to show you what the join looks like. And here it is. Now you can just pull on this strand to tighten it whenever it becomes loose. And when you're done with your project, you can just slip this to the wrong side and weave it in.